Hello, welcome to this Klusterbox tutorial. I'm Tom Weeks. I'm the developer of Klusterbox, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how SpeedSheets handle carrier list statuses which have been split in the middle of the week. Now, as you know, carriers can change their route, they can change their station, they can change their NS day. But all those changes are effective when a carrier bids a new route, and they're always effective on the first day of the week, Saturday. But a carrier can change their list status during any day of the week. Now, sometimes the first day of the quarter falls on a day which isn't Saturday. So, just to give an example, I've already filled this information out, and you can see right here the first day of the quarter on the 1st of June, which is a Tuesday. These carriers are all changing what list they're on. They're on no list. Now they're on OTDL. He was on no list. Now he's on work assignment list. He was on no list. Now he's on the OTDL. So how does that look in SpeedSheets? Well, to see that, you would have to generate a SpeedSheet. And okay, and here it is. Okay, so the SpeedSheet is in a different order than this. So let's go to let's find this carrier here. Hello, Farah. Okay, so we can find this carrier, Aloe Vera, who's the first one on on our list here on the Klusterbox main screen, but on the SpeedSheet they're line 142. So so first of all, you can see something different here. There's a value entered into this first column, whereas usually there are no values entered into the first column. This one says Tuesday, and then there's the Aloe Vera, the name, and then there are two list statuses. Now, what that's saying is that it's just the same as this other one, where the carrier started off on a no list status, and then they changed to OTDL. So that's the same as it goes here. So they started off on no list, and then on Tuesday they switched to OTDL. Now, what does it look like if we? What does it look like? Let's close this out. If they decide to get off the list, so say on 6/2, they're going to change the list status again back to no list, and apply that. Okay, so now on our Klusterbox main screen we have three different list statuses. They started off on no list. On Tuesday they switched to overtime desired list. On Wednesday they went back down to no list. So on the SpeedSheet that would look like this. So this the SpeedSheet overwrites the old one since it's for the same time. So we're going to go down to line 142. Here we are again. And you can see there's some more information here. This one has 2 days entered into that first column, Tuesday and Wednesday. And then in this column, there are 3 list statuses: no list, overtime desired list, and no list. Now to enter information with SpeedSheets, which is mainly what you use SpeedSheets for, is you do that just kind of in reverse. So you would do it on the speed sheet instead of doing it in the edit screen of Klusterbox. So instead of doing that, let's use the speed sheet for floss pick here. And okay, we would enter in Tuesday, and then in this column we put a comma, and then work assignment list. Say they put it on the work assignment list on Tuesday. So we save that. Always use the Excel format to save. And let's input it into the database. Let's make sure we're entering the correct date. Okay, and we can see we changed FlossPick's list status. We can see that on the report. One addition made, no fatal errors. Great. Just close this out. And if we go down to FlossPick, we can see that on Tuesday, they changed their NS day from no list to work assignment list. So that's how you can change list statuses and read list statuses with the speed sheets. It's kind of a tough thing to do, but I needed some way to annotate that, and this is the system I came up with. And that's about it. Now you can change other things in the middle of the week, but speed sheets won't allow that. The only thing you can change in the middle of the week with speed sheets is just the list status. You can't change their NS day, their route, their station, even though you can change it with this. You can change it with the Klusterbox edit function, but the functionality for the speed sheets is limited. But it does allow you to do what you need to do, to get that carrier information in. So that's about it. Thanks for watching this Klusterbox tutorial. Happy union stewarding.